Actively listen to client concerns, empathize with their needs, and provide a clear expectation about coverage options. Present data-driven insights and educate on market conditions to demonstrate the value of the policy. Hi, Bobbie Fernandez here, Performance Coach, Agency Performance Partners. And today on this podcast, I want to talk to you about decreasing insurance renewal remarketing by effectively using renewal reviews. Is your agency feeling like you are on the remarketing hamster wheel right now? You just keep running and running, but not really seeing any progress? I remember when my daughter was old enough to go on her first roller coaster ride, and she was so excited. It seems so thrilling when you're looking at it from below. And we get on and the clickety clack, and we get to the top ready for that first drop. And once that initial drop happened, that initial thrill was immediately replaced by fear. She wanted off. She screamed for dear life, but we were in it. How many of us want off the current hard market roller coaster? Just like a roller coaster, we are in this hard market and there is no getting off mid-ride. But we can make the ride a little smoother and choose to enjoy the journey. The solution? Renewal reviews to reduce the time and effort it takes for our staff to remarket accounts. It creates a customer-centric experience for your clients, and it protects your agency. Renewal reviews are essential for insurance agencies to reduce the need for insurance remarketing. These reviews enable agencies to maintain customer loyalty by offering personalized services and addressing evolving insurance needs. By assessing policyholders' current circumstances, agencies can identify necessary policy adjustments while minimizing the risk to policyholders seeking alternative coverage with our competitors. Additionally, renewal reviews allow for risk assessment and premium adjustments, ensuring fair pricing without the need for remarketing. Ultimately, by prioritizing renewal reviews, insurance agencies can build stronger relationships with policyholders, enhancing customer satisfaction and streamlining their renewal process. In this blog, we're going to discuss some of the following topics: understanding insurance remarketing and what that means, the role of renewal reviews and the importance of the renewal review, and how we can empower our staff to help educate our clients. Conducting effective renewal reviews. What are the steps? How do we prepare? How do we get started? We're going to give you some tips on that. Communicating effectively with our insurers during this time. How can we negotiate better rates, handle objections, and really advocate for fair premiums for our clients? Leveraging technology and resources, not just the next bright, shiny object, but really understanding what is already in play at your agency. And then we're going to cite some case studies and success stories on how renewal reviews have really helped clients in the past and why proactive renewal reviews are so important. So let's jump into it. Understanding insurance remarketing. Insurance remarketing refers to the process of reevaluating and reissuing insurance policies for existing clients. It involves reassessing the risk profile of an insured and adjusting premiums accordingly. The impact of insurance remarketing on policyholders can be twofold. On one hand, it may lead to increased premiums if the risk assessment identifies higher risk exposure. On the other hand, it can also result in lower premiums if a policyholder's risk profile improves. Remarketing allows carriers to adapt to changing circumstances and maintain fairness in pricing. As your client's trusted advisor, agencies need to work with their policyholders and regularly review their coverage, explore options, fill gaps, and seek competitive quotes when determined necessary to ensure that they're adequately covering their risk. Insurance remarketing presents numerous challenges in this current industry landscape. Firstly, customer retention has become increasingly difficult due to fierce competition. Promoting agencies to employ remarketing strategies to reconnect with existing clients. Secondly, The growing complexities of insurance products demand effective communication to educate customers on new offerings. Consumer expectations for a more personalized experience require agencies to strike the right balance between educating their insured while building trusting relationships. To be successful, agents must navigate these challenges adeptly and leverage innovative technologies to optimize their remarketing efforts. While insurance remarketing can benefit our agency when done thoughtfully, policyholders may face negative consequences. It's important to understand the consequences of remarketing. We could have inspection issues, loss of coverage, or legacy endorsements, increased premiums with no option to return to the original carrier. In some cases, policyholders may even feel manipulated or coerced into making decisions that don't align with their best interest when a proper renewal review is not conducted. Striking the right balance between effective remarketing and protecting the policyholder is essential to ensure a positive experience and maintain trust in your agency. If you need assistance with how to conduct a proper renewal review, I would suggest going out and downloading our freemium content now. There's a renewal review process planner that will help you get started. Insurance remarketing can have significant impacts on influencing how insurers price their products for policyholders. For instance, if an individual is regularly searching for insurance and receives quotes or multiple quotes, they may be deemed a higher risk. On the other hand, customers demonstrating safe driving behavior via telematics devices might receive discounts on their auto insurance rates. These examples showcase how remarketing insights can both negatively and positively affect policyholder premiums, emphasizing the significance of the role of the agents to provide updates responsibly to ensure accurate underwriting and allow our carriers to provide the most accurate pricing. So it's our job as the agency to make sure that we're providing that information to our carriers so that they can be accurately pricing products. So the role of the renewal review. Insurance renewal reviews are comprehensive assessments conducted by agencies to evaluate existing coverage and premium before the policy's expiration. The purpose is to ensure that the policy aligns with the customer's current needs and risk profile. During the review, agents analyze any changes to the policyholder's circumstances, take a look at their claims history and market conditions to determine appropriate adjustments to coverage and determine if the client is eligible for a remarket. The objective is to offer personalized, cost-effective insurance solutions, fostering customer satisfaction, retention, and providing adequate protection against potential risks. Conducting regular renewal reviews empower policyholders to make informed decisions and maintain suitable insurance coverage over time. Regular renewal reviews are essential for policyholders as they provide crucial opportunities to assess their insurance coverage for accuracy. Life circumstances change, and so do insurance needs. These reviews enable policyholders to update their coverage based on evolving requirements, ensuring that they're adequately protected against potential risks. By analyzing current policies, agencies can identify gaps in coverage and provide custom recommendations to their clients. This reduces the likelihood of agencies engaging in aggressive remarketing practices to retain customers. These reviews empower customers to make informed choices, promoting transparency and fostering trust in our industry. They also protect your agency from potential E&O exposure by renewing accounts for accuracy and documenting any rejections in coverage. Renewal reviews offer agencies and policyholders the chance to uncover potential savings in their insurance policies. By assessing coverage needs, customers can eliminate unnecessary add-ons and adjust deductibles, resulting in lower premiums. Identifying new discounts that may be available or loyalty rewards for long-standing policyholders can also lead to potential savings. Moreover, staying informed about market trends allow policyholders to understand the current market conditions and build confidence and trust in their agent. Regular renewal reviews empower individuals to optimize their insurance, ensuring they receive the best value for their coverage while maintaining adequate protection. Embracing these renewal reviews can lead to significant cost savings and financial benefits for policyholders and your agency. So, how do we conduct an effective renewal review? Don't overcomplicate preparing for a renewal review. Many times, agents want to dig into every detail of an account before even connecting with a client. We're snorkeling here, so don't get caught in scuba mode. This is an opportunity to quickly review the account and set up your renewal review form. The process should only take about 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon the complexities of your account. Then, pick up the phone and make the call. In many cases, you're not even going to connect with your client, but when we do, we will be fully prepared when or if they do call back. Many times, agents jump into problem-solving mode before even understanding the client's needs. It's important to remember that we can't care more about their insurance than they do. Our role is to let them know that we're there and that we care, but the ball is in their court and it's their responsibility to make the next move. Once we connect with the client, now we want to build rapport and educate them on the current market conditions. Help them to feel confident in their decision to choose your agency and that you have a plan. Review their current policy coverage with them and ensure that information is accurate and that their coverage is still relevant to their circumstances. Identify any coverage gaps and offer to fill them. This protects your client from potentially uncovered losses, but it also protects your agency when client declines and is documented in your system of record. It's important to remember that our clients are people too. Connect with them and discover what's happening in their world so you can help them analyze their risk fully. We have to slow down to speed up. Many times, agencies are just trying to get to the next in line or rush to solve the perceived problem. Our goal is to truly understand so that we can adequately guide our client and present them the options that are best for their current situation. It's more than likely something has changed in their life, and it allows for additional opportunities for us to step up as their agent and be our client's trusted professional. Having agency standards around what qualifies and what does not qualify for a remarket is going to be beneficial for your agency. Be sure to share this information with your staff so they're empowered to have productive and educational conversations. It allows for them to make decisions that are aligned with your agency's vision and values, and it sets expectations for our clients on a plan of action. When the determination is made that alternative quotes will be obtained, having current relevant exposure information will allow for a smoother quoting process. We should have a really good understanding of our carriers and know where we're going because our team should know where our agency is looking to place business and who our best carrier partners are. We are looking for the best option to protect our client, and this does not always mean the lowest premium. Using your relationships with your current carriers may also allow for some negotiation on their current policy. Remember, just as you are your client's path of least resistance, your incumbent carrier is your path of least resistance. So have the conversation with them. Give them the opportunity to save a profitable account is always the best first step before remarketing. So here's the key tips on maximizing your renewal reviews. Snorkel, don't scuba before connecting with the client. Pick up the phone, make the call. Document the file. When and if you connect with the client, build rapport and understand their current needs. Then, build a plan with your client so they feel comfortable knowing you got them. Review their current policy for coverage gaps, enhancements, and potential additional lines. Offer them to the client. It's okay if they say no, but make them aware and allow them to make the choice that's best for them. Then, document your system of record to protect your agency from E&O exposures. And when the time is right, remarket the account. If you need assistance building a plan for your agency, you can book time with one of our ridiculously amazing consultants now to help you implement a strategy that's right for your agency. So, how do we go about communicating with our insurers? Effective communication with our carriers is crucial in our industry, and especially now. Clear and timely communication ensures smooth policy processing, accurate underwriting, and faster claims resolution. To communicate effectively, policyholders and agents should provide complete and accurate information, making our carrier's job easier. Actively listening and understanding carrier guidelines fosters better collaboration with our carrier partners. Embracing digital channels for communication with our insurers expedites the process. By prioritizing effective communication, policyholders and agents can enhance their overall insurance experience and strengthen their relationship with carriers. Asking the right questions during renewal reviews is crucial to ensuring comprehensive insurance coverage. Start by evaluating any significant life changes with your policyholders, such as new assets or family additions, to adjust policy limits accordingly. Knowing your carrier's available discounts or loyalty rewards to maximize savings. Seek clarification on policy terms, coverage limits, and exclusions to avoid any surprises during the claims scenario. Explore alternative coverages and their benefits or potential pitfalls. Understanding any changes in the carrier's policy or rates that may affect premium. By asking thoughtful questions, you can assist your policyholder to make an informed decision, optimizing their coverage and foster a secure and satisfying insurance experience. Negotiating better rates and coverage after an insurance review involves leveraging these gathered insights. Highlight any positive changes in risk factors, such as improved credit scores or safe driving records, to request premium discounts. Discuss policy adjustments based on the client's actual needs to avoid overpaying for any unnecessary coverage. Show your clients loyalty and inquire about loyalty discounts. Understand your carrier's underwriting criteria to strengthen your negotiation points. Polite persistence and willingness to explore options can lead to more favorable rates and tailored coverage. Agents can skillfully handle objections and advocate for fair premiums by adopting a customer-centric approach. Actively listen to client concerns, empathize with their needs, and provide a clear expectation about coverage options. Present data-driven insights and educate on market conditions to demonstrate the value of the policy. Build strong relationships with your carriers and underwriters to allow for effective negotiation on behalf of clients. Educate clients about risk factors and how they influence premium. And maintain open communication throughout the process, ensuring clients feel empowered and informed. By being proactive, knowledgeable, and supportive, agents can effectively navigate objections and secure fair premiums that meet their clients' insurance needs. It's important to remember that a fair premium does not always mean the lowest price. So now let's talk about leveraging technology and resources. There are a plethora of online tools and resources to enhance the renewal review process. Utilizing and understanding the automation features of your agency management, customer management, document management systems to track policy details, important dates, and agency metrics. This is going to be extremely important. Explore insurance comparison websites to analyze competing quotes for better pricing options. Utilize data and analytic tools to gain insights into clients' behaviors and preferences. Engage in video conference tools to conduct virtual renewal reviews with clients. Embrace online communication channels and appointment setting softwares for prompt and transparent interactions. By harnessing these digital resources, agents can streamline the renewal review process, offering personalized recommendations and ensure a seamless and efficient experience for their client. Agents can leverage comparison websites to explore a wide range of insurance options for our clients. These platforms provide access to multiple carriers and their policies, enabling agents to quickly compare coverage rates and features. Agents can input client-specific data information in to generate personalized quotes, tailoring insurance options to meet individual needs. This data-driven approach empowers agents to present clients with a comprehensive view of available choices, ensuring that they make informed decisions. By harnessing the efficiency and convenience of comparison websites, agents can offer valuable insights and enhance their role as trusted advisors in the insurance selection process. These rates may not always be accurate. However, it is a great way to get an understanding of what is available. It saves time on data entry when information can be pushed into our carrier systems, and it allows us an initial data point to understand if remarketing is really the best option. Insurance agents can leverage technology and resources to harness the power of data and analytics in the insurance space. Accessing vast data sets and advanced analytics tools enables agents to assess risk factors accurately, resulting in more precise premium calculations and targeted marketing. Utilizing customer insights and behavior data helps agents personalize coverage options, enhancing customer satisfaction. Moreover, real-time data allows agents to monitor marketing trends and adjust strategies accordingly. Embracing technology empowers agents to make informed decisions, streamline process, and provide tailored insurance solutions, ultimately strengthening our client relationships and driving business growth. It's important for agencies to really understand and consider how potentially adopting a new technology into their tech stack will enhance their business. All too often, we see bright, shiny object syndrome, where an agency hears about a new technology that they think will assist their business and jump on making a decision without really thinking through the process of implementation and adoption. Will it really enhance or will it compete with your current technology? To truly understand, you must slow down to speed up and make sure that you are fully understanding and utilizing the technology you already have implemented in your agency. You must have a plan on how to roll out and track adoption so that your team knows how to be successful and that your agency gets the largest return on their investment. Engaging with consultants and professionals that have expertise in this area can be a wonderful resource. The value they add to the initial implementation, rollout of the new technology, assisting staff with adoption, and helping your agency to obtain the important metrics to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck is an upfront investment that provides a great return on your investment because it's done well. You have a trusted advisor helping to make the right decisions upfront. We want to prepare versus repair. Help staff feel more comfortable with the changes that you're asking them to make and minimize their frustration. If you would like to book a meeting with one of our client consultants, you can go out and book that meeting and we can help you on adoption of new technology and really how to consider that to get the most return on your investment. Technology is expensive and it's important in what we do in an agency. So let's look at some real life examples of some policyholders benefiting from renewal reviews. Can be diverse and impactful. So here's a few. Auto insurance savings. A review of a policyholder's auto insurance during a renewal review discovers that their driving habits have improved significantly. So the agent is able to negotiate with the insurer, providing evidence of their safe driving history record through the telematics device. As a result, the insurer offers to reduce the premium due to the lower risk profile, resulting in substantial savings. How about some homeowners? During a renewal review, a homeowner realizes that they've made some significant renovations to their property. They communicate these changes to their agency and as a result, receive an updated policy that reflects increased property values and improves coverage for their homes and belonging to adequately cover their exposure. Now, this may have created an increase in the premium to the client, but it also makes sure that we're protecting them and that we don't have a problem at claims time. Life insurance adjustments. A policyholder goes through a major life event, such as getting married or having a child. During the renewal review, it's recommended that they increase their life insurance policy coverage to ensure adequate financial protection for their family in case of an unfortunate event. How about bundling discounts? An agent reviews their client's insurance portfolio. During the renewal review, they find that they have multiple policies with different carriers. By consolidating their auto, home, and life insurance with one provider, they become eligible for bundling discounts, which leads to cost savings across the board. How about other additional added discounts and rewards? Through a renewal review, a policyholder learns about new loyalty rewards offered by their insurer for long-term customers. They take advantage of these rewards and receive benefits such as lower deductibles, accident forgiveness, or additional coverage enhancements at no additional extra cost to them. These are just some real-life examples that demonstrate the tangible benefits of renewal reviews, allowing policyholders to optimize their coverage, uncover potential savings, and enhance their insurance experience. Many times, just by digging in and really understanding the insured's exposure and expectations, we can improve coverage and reduce premiums. Personalized renewal reviews foster trust, client satisfaction, and long-term relationships while providing optimal protection and financial benefits. Our job as the licensed insurance professional is to understand and communicate what the client is purchasing, allow them to make the best decision for their current situation, and plan for future financial wellness by protecting their most valuable assets. For several years, I worked as an account manager in the social service and nonprofit space. This is a great niche, and I love the clients I was able to work with. They all have such big hearts and live each day to serve underserved populations, but they also have tight wallets. Many times, executive directors are funding projects with their own money, which makes analyzing their insurance program a little bit tricky. They never want to spend more than needed, especially if that $10 a month for rental car coverage could provide another meal for the homeless or support their mission in some way. While conducting an annual renewal review with one of my best clients, I identified that they had removed their rental car coverage. The agency had all the proper documentation and it was all stored in the system, so they were protected. So that's enough, right? Many account managers would just breeze right through because the client declined and not offer the coverage again. I took the time to help the client understand what rental car reimbursement does for their organization and why it's important, and what happens if they don't add it. The client agreed to go ahead and make the investment and add the coverage. 3 months later, their van was involved in an accident and they needed a rental to get their adult daycare patients back and forth to doctor's appointments. And they had the coverage they needed. We can see by taking just a few moments to review the account and making sure that the insured really understands what that small investment is, it really paid off. They were so grateful that they didn't have any interruption to their service that they provide to their clients. So if your agency is looking for assistance with processes, scripts, checklists, to help create efficiencies for your team, take advantage now of our special discount on our process packs. We're doing a 20% discount, so head now over to our process packs and you can check those out now. In conclusion, embracing renewal reviews is crucial for insurance agencies and policyholders. These reviews provide a valuable opportunity to assess and adjust insurance coverage to meet the ever-changing needs of our clients. By conducting effective renewal reviews, agencies can reduce the need for remarketing, leading to cost savings, happier staff, and improved coverage for our policyholders. Leveraging technology and resources streamlines the process, allowing for better communication with our insurers and access to a wide range of insurance options. Real-life examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of renewal reviews, highlighting their role in enhancing customer satisfaction, building trust, and securing optimal protection. As insurance professionals, embracing renewal reviews empowers us to create a smoother and more enjoyable journey for both our clients and ourselves on this insurance market roller coaster. Encouraging policyholders to engage on regular renewal reviews involves proactive communication, educating them on the benefits, and providing personalized service. Utilize reminders to close to the renewal date, highlighting cost savings and improved coverage potential. Offer incentives such as loyalty rewards or exclusive discounts to those who schedule reviews. Emphasize the customer-centric approach of your agency, assuring transparency in the process. Utilize technology to streamline the process, making it convenient for your policyholders. By showing genuine interest in their needs and circumstances, agents can foster a trusting relationship, leading to increased participation in renewal reviews and better informed policyholders. Empowering individuals to make informed insurance decisions is at the heart of conducting renewal reviews with their insurance agent. These reviews provide a crucial opportunity to assess changing needs, ensure adequate coverage, and explore cost savings options. By engaging in transparent communication and leveraging technology, agents enable policyholders to understand their policies better and make choices aligned with their unique circumstances. Regular renewal reviews foster trust, confidence, and peace of mind, creating symbiotic relationships between agents and policyholders. Through this collaborative approach, individuals can navigate the complexities of insurance, secure optimal protection, and confidently plan for a secure financial future. Now that we're prepared for our ride and know what to expect, it's much less scary, and we can enjoy the ride with all the twists and turns of our industry provide each day, and learn to educate ourselves and our clients. If your agency needs help with getting started on how to reduce insurance renewal remarketing and conducting renewal reviews, our ridiculously amazing performance coaches are here for you. I hope you enjoyed this podcast, and I look forward to talking to you next time.